FitLab PGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack. It's a rainy Saturday afternoon. I was trying to do some kettlebell swings, but Puddin wanted some attention. So rather than doing kettlebell swings that were dangerous, I decided I would do some glute bridges and use a 60-pound dog for a little bit of resistance. So pick your movement opportunities, work out with a movement partner, and make movement a part of your lifestyle, because movement should be treated as a lifestyle, not just an activity, something for everyone. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from Puddin.